What's the meaning of Antarctic? Antarctic. 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 Antarctic.
Antarctic refers to the region surrounding the South Pole and encompasses the continent of Antarctica as well as the surrounding Southern Ocean. This area is characterized by extreme cold temperatures, ice sheets, and unique wildlife such as penguins, seals, and whales. The Antarctic has a crucial role in regulating global climate patterns due to the vast amount of ice and its influence on ocean currents. Additionally, the region is subject to international treaties that limit scientific exploration and commercial activity to protect its delicate ecosystem.